Weeks from Lake X Lures, TNA Tackle, research editor for Muskie Hunter Magazine. I'm going to show you how to put an outdoor grip on today. It's been done a lot at the shows by Aaron and Steve, and they do a great job at outdoor grips. But I'm just going to put a quick video together to show how I do it. They use black tape mostly to build up the base. It's a little more solid than what I use. I use Wilson tennis racket grip. Works great for me. Easy to take on and off. Doesn't hurt the rod. So I'm going to show you how to do it from start to finish on my St. Croix Legend Elite. So first thing, I'm going to get the line out of the way. Cut my leader off, plus I need to retie. I'm going to Canada soon. I just take the line and wrap it around the reel handle so it's out of the way and I can do my work. So where I'm going to do it is I'm going to build up the base right here in front of the reel seat. I'm going to make sure it's nice and tight. I actually have a little bit of black tape on here to make sure that this never comes loose. But I'm going to put it right in front of the reel. I like it as close to the reel as possible. By the way, check out their new reel seat that actually goes on the trigger here. Incredible. That's coming out this year. I can't wait to get my hand on those, but for now, I got the traditional outdoor grip. Got the parts right here. It comes with a bag of screws. I got cork handle, and then the part that actually mounts on your rod. It's cool because you can mount this on your rod. If you don't like it, or you're fishing in a way that you don't need this handle, you can always unscrew it and take it off. But this part stays on the rod, and it's not really in the way for anything. So I'm going to build up my grip using the tennis racket grip. Like I said, I'm just going to wrap two ways on this rod. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to wrap in two spots. I'm starting really close to the reel. That's where the back is going to go. These tennis racket grips, if you put one on the front and one on the back, it fits perfect. I leave the plastic covering on. They're meant to actually come off. But I leave them on because it's easier if I want to take this off and change the wheel. Do anything like that, I can. These tennis racket things come with this really cool Wilson tape here. You can actually stick it on it and have it hold it for a second. I usually use black tape to secure it on there. I always have black tape in the boat. So I just temporarily put that on there to hold it for a second. Gonna run a piece of black tape over the top. Alright, so there's the back portion. That's about the diameter you should have. It's a little bit crooked, that doesn't really matter. Just going to leave a little bit of a space, and now I'm going to start wrapping the front. One of these is perfect because it makes you push hard enough to get this thing really snug on the rod. So that's how I do it. I build it up. Build it up. It looks a little crooked, but it isn't going to matter because I'm going to get the one part cinched back here and the other part right here. So I got my bag of screws. I am going to throw this handle on because it helps me get the screws tight. Screw the handle in. So I'm going to take a screw, drop it in the top if I can get it in there. Got it in the top, and now I'm not worried about where on the rod it's at right now. I'm just going to get this screw started. So you need a screwdriver, Phillips head. I'm going to squeeze it together until I feel that screw catch, and then I'm going to grab another one and go to the other side. If I can get two of them in, I'm good to go. So you got to push kind of hard. I help hold with my thumb. And so I got that screwed on there with two. So now I can move it around to get it the correct orientation, which is going to be perpendicular to the rod, and it's going to be straight, up and down. I actually like mine crooked a little bit. I go a little bit to this side. I hold it like so. So I want to canter a little bit that way. 2 more screws. Once you got 2 in, the other 2 are pretty easy. Once you have all 4 of them in there, make sure you got the grip right exactly where you want it. And tighten them down. Don't tighten them too much. You can strip them. If you tighten too tight, you'll feel them snug down and stop. There you have it. Outdoor grip installed. Thanks a lot, Aaron and Steve.